Oh, hey guys, how you doing? Are you also tired of being the only good snack in house? Me too. Well, today I got a perfect recipe just for you to make the perfect snack, which is a chocolate chip cookie with a creamy caramel inside. You're laughing already, aren't you? You wanna know how I did it? I'm Cosito. Let's go! Let's immediately get started with the process. For the ingredients, just head to the description below. So, start by softening up 115 grams of unsalted butter. You can also use already softened up butter from the store. This will probably take 2 to 3 minutes. Don't walk away from the stove because your butter might burn. Next, mix 120 grams of all-purpose flour with half a teaspoon of both baking soda and salt. Put that mixture to the side and grab a small bowl and beat up 1 egg in it. Now grab a bigger bowl to mix everything together. Start by pouring in 43 grams of granulated sugar and 43 grams of brown sugar. Then mix that together, which is completely unnecessary. Now to the sugar mixture, you're gonna mix in your softened butter. After mixing it thoroughly, then pour in the egg. Whisk it a bit more to get it airy and fluffy. After that, add 1.5 teaspoons of maple syrup to the mixture. This ingredient is completely optional, but
wait for it,
highly recommended. Then just whisk till you have a mixture just like this. The following step is to add the flour mixture. Gradually add it to the bowl while you're whisking away. Then continue with, you guessed it, whisking away. By the way, you can also make your life easier by just using a mixer. I didn't have one. Mix until you have something looking similar to this. Lastly, add 175 grams of chocolate chips to the cookie dough mixture. Now just incorporate everything together. At this point, the chocolate chip cookie dough is already done. What now has to be done is to partition the cookie dough into smaller ball-formed pieces. Doing this with 2 spoons by using the technique to Cornell ice cream. Don't worry if the balls aren't perfectly formed. Now we gotta take these chocolate chip cookie doughs to the next level because we clearly want to show the difference between a chef and a cook, right? So in the ball forms, we're gonna push in some caramel candies. Make sure you seal them off quite well, or else when they cook, they will break open. You can actually use whatever caramel candy you love or prefer. Next, seal them off with cling film and put them in the fridge to cool for at least 1 hour. After they're done cooling, just prepare them to go in the oven. And here I must warn you about something I completely forgot about. Each ball needs quite some room to expand, so don't put them too close to each other like I just did. Lastly, place them in a 190 degrees preheated oven for 15 minutes. That is, if you like your chocolate chip cookies dark. If not, just go with 12 minutes. Now, because of my mistake of placing them too close to each other, they came out looking like this. You live and you learn.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
Nevertheless, let's taste. Be sure to serve them hot for that caramel inside to be quite oozy.
And into the mouth. Nice.
These are quite simple to make, but a great snack to have in house. Also, you can just reheat them by just placing them in the microwave for about 10 seconds. All by all, yum! I wish I could have that every day. Go try it out yourself and also to see and taste how beautiful and tasty the chocolatey caramel inside chocolate chip cookie is. Make sure you check out the description below for the ingredients and also like this video if you have enjoyed and don't forget to subscribe. This has been Cosito's Kitchen and showing you the difference between a chef and a cook. Take care guys. Peace.